question. P and Q each stand for whole numbers. P plus Q equals 1,000. Okay? That could be really easy, couldn't it? P plus Q equals 1,000, so it could be 500 plus 500 equals 1,000. But then they carry on, because this is level 5, they're giving you an extra bit. P has got to be 150 greater than Q. Alright, I'm going to put that here to remind me. P is 150 bigger than Q. Sometimes writing it out helps me later, just to remember everything. I've got to work out the values of P and Q. Alright then, I know it has to equal 1,000. I know P is the biggest one, and Q is 150 smaller. If they were the same values, they would have to be 500 to add up to 1,000. Okay, so 500 plus 500 would equal 1,000, which would be fine, except for this bit of the question. P is 150 greater than Q. So this number's got to be bigger. If I just added 150 to it though, we'd be in trouble because the answer would change to this. So it can't be as easy as just adding 150 on. So if we're making this number bigger, we've got to think about Q as well. So what we could do is we could say, well, this is easy. We just add 150 to this one. And this number was too big, so we could take away 150 from this one, and that will equal 1,000. But of course, we now haven't got P being only 150 bigger than Q. We've got a big gap here. So it's not that simple either. There's something else we've got to do. What it's making you think is, I can't add 150 on. I can't bring P all the way up and keep Q the same, or even take Q down and leave P up because the gap's too big. So what I'm going to have to do is take P up a little bit and Q down a little bit. Alright? So think of the number 150. At the moment, we've just been adding or taking away 150. It was too much. So my suggestion is, there's two numbers. Divide 150 by 2, which is 75. If we bring this number up by 75 and this number down by 75, then the gap between them should be 150. So 500 plus 75 is 575. And we're taking this number down because Q's got to be smaller. 500 take away 25 is 425. They do add to 1,000, so that's right. The gap between them should be 150. And if you have a look at them, it is. Okay, so the answer is P equals 575 and Q equals 425. So the way to do it is to make the values the same at the beginning, have a look at how much greater they will want to be than the other, and then don't get confused. You only bring one up by half the amount and one down by half the amount, and that will make sure the gap is the right number between the two of them. Okay?